Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this video, we will see how to add templates to the Django framework on Python language. Earlier, our different applications are like Java, PHP, or some other .NET. You may aware of this templates, the skeleton of a web page, the web group of pages, and what are the requirements of the page layout designs. Everything will commence to the comments, and a single group of pages will call it as templates. Now the easiest way, we are seeing that page and the template, the skeleton of the website. We want to implement that directly. We can buy, or we have many templates are also available in the web pages. We'll download it and we'll try to integrate, and we can customize it. That much of it will, most of the time it will saves. Now we'll see in our Django framework how to use templates. Basically this video for focusing, we are creating, and we want to need to add template and URL patterns and the indexing of the HTML page. The raw data we can see how it will be, and the intermediary steps will go for. For that, first we need to add, this is the namespace, we need to import it from django.template import loader. And next we need to add in our, you will see that earlier videos we have add step-by-step applications. In our music app, here I am added one templates folder. This is the name called templates. On music, right click on here and create new, the directory name, call it as templates. Under the templates, you need to, again I am adding a music folder. See here, again right click on the template, add new directory, call it as music. Under the music, I am creating an index space. You call it as, this is the templates, the collection of the templates folder. Under the folder, this is the one group of template, that is the music group of the forms, and everything will be under the music. That template I am placing under the music, or else I am renaming that content of the folder name as music. Okay, and here I am adding a raw HTML file. Right click again, add new HTML file. Now let's see, this is the HTML file. If I added a raw HTML, see, it will ask, this is the name. You specify that index.html, just call it as that index only. Again I am adding, I'm call it as index1. It will be adds like this. Okay, and you delete for all the things. Why? Because I am customizing that page, I am deleted. Okay, now see here, the index page, all movies, that objects I am collecting over here. The template, I am taking a name of the string, that is a loader.get templates of music. And where is my template path? I am calling that page under the music slash index.html, the path of that template home page. See here, loader I am importing over here. Under that, this is the predefined functionality which is available. You can use it, loader.get template. The path which is defining, this is the template folder that loader will take care. If we define, this is the path of template, in the sense get template, in the sense I am giving the internal path, that is the music, and under the templates, the music, under the index.html, hence it is giving that path. Okay, and content in the sense, here I am loading one model to representing the data. Now see here, all movies I want to represent at template, in the sense all movies which are loading in this object. Okay, and written the s1 template dot rendering the content, and the what loading here the content on based on the request. This is the view, the functionality, complete logic, how it will goes. Here I am, what is the simply the two steps I am telling, that I am fetching the data from by using one movie loader, that model, and fetching the data and pumping into the page where I want to display at view page on index.html. Okay, see here on index page, you forgot about first and last line. I will explain you. This is the for loop, and this is the href links I am preparing. Music, that is the music, the folder following by id, that is the movie id. This is the href link, and this is the movie title I am loading here, movie.movie title, that parameter name. Okay, while I am turning into the for loop, see here you will observe, it's a very important. This is the line indicates that is a HTML code. If any Python language in between the lines between for HTML, that will indicates these two braces. Under the braces it will be considered Python code. Okay, see here also the braces under the code movie, it's a name of the that model. Okay, and the title. Okay, and here also if I am writing plain the empty place without using any HTML line, here I want to declare these are the pattern of the Python code indicates. Okay, in between these two we have to write the Python code for movie in all movies. This is the all movies, which is the fetching from this is indicates. Okay, this object will indicates that all movies. For movie, that is the for loop, and for all, if any 1 2 3 or many n number, it will be rotate and it will stops. Okay, that is the for loop. If there is a no movie, it will enter into the movie loop. Hence I am verifying here, if all movies, then only you will enter to this loop. If movie is none, nothing is available in that particular model or database, it will be goes to you don't have any movie, the only the thing it will displays, and ends the if condition, and it will close. See how simple we will showing that data into the by using the template and representing the data. We'll see here. See the UL we are using over here, list items. Now it's showing that list items, hero. Under the hero, yes, the links are working, URLs are also working. This is the template. Wherever you require a clean design template also, you can apply, and you can write these the things are to apply, and fetch the data, and you can represent at views page. This is for all about templates, and we'll see the more templates and the designs on the upcoming videos. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, like and comment of any of your views or any of your requested videos, if any of your knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.